I'm Morgan from Pack Hacker, and in this video we're taking a look at the Western Rise Voyager packing cube set, which I've been testing for 2 weeks. If you find this video helpful, hit subscribe so that we can continue making content that helps you travel smarter. Let's jump in. So these packing cubes are made with a 210D ripstop nylon with a water-resistant coating and an antimicrobial treatment, which is super nice, especially considering what they're used for. It definitely helps ensure durability and longevity and keeps clothes nice and clean, especially once you get along to, this is also included in the packing cube set. It's a roll top laundry bag and a shoe bag, but I'll get to those in a second. The outside has a super smooth texture, and you can kind of see it's got this grid pattern which provides like a nice anti-tear resistant type functionality to the weave. The branding is pretty chill, very minimal, I should say, with just the logo at the bottom and like a little pull tab. And then the zippers are pretty smooth, really easy, especially like around the corners. The material itself is like super lightweight as well, which will definitely help save weight when packing. And then let's see, oh, the grab handles on all three have like a really nice seatbelt-like material, and they feel very soft, very comfortable to hold. It works really well as just like a way to maneuver the pack. And then the material you can kind of see is somewhat like see-through. So it at first was kind of like a little weird, but now I kind of appreciate the visibility. It allows you to kind of see what's inside and double check, and you can get an idea of what's inside without having to completely unzip each of the packing cubes, basically, especially since these two have like a similar appearance. So with these three packing cubes, these have different functionality. So you have a small and a large, and then this was a large as well, but this one does not have the same expandability or functionality of compression like these two do. So as you can see, the opening is basically like a J on all three. And then there's this extra zipper here, which allows you to really squeeze out any excess air or space to get the overall packing cube into a super compact form, which will help with space, especially if you're traveling with like a one bag setup. And so I found it works both ways as like expansion and compression. And so I thought that that was like a really nice way to do that if you want more space but don't necessarily need the compression. And so with this small cube in particular, you can store a decent amount of clothing in here. And so let's see, I have a bunch of tank tops in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the inside has a little bit of like a sticky tactile texture to it, which at first I was a little put off by, but when packing clothes, I found that that helps keep things from sliding around. And so like the outside has like a traditional nylon slippery feel to it, whereas the inside has that more tactile feel. And so when placed in like a bag together, they do tend to like slip and slide, but the clothes that you place inside, it makes it easier to pack, in my opinion. And so, especially with this like J-style opening, it also keeps the overall structure pretty consistent. And so it allows you to really pack the bag. And then with the zipper and the compression, you can cinch it down to get it into as small of a form as possible. And so this was the small. Let me get these out of the way. The large is basically same principle. Inside I have a bunch of t-shirts. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so, as you can see, it's you can fit a lot of clothes in here. And then that was without even compressing it. So I really enjoyed packing these cubes out. And then let's see, oh, this one also has like the expandability and the compression, which is different than this one, which is a large as well. But this one has a second, it's like dual-sided basically. And so as you can see, especially with like the difference in how it looks, where this is like all white and this one has like a contrasted side on the back. It has this mesh lining a little bit, which does like a really good job of keeping your clothes separate. It is ideal for like storing dirty clothes if you still have clean clothes, and so you can just kind of exchange them. But inside this one, because of the dual-sided lining, it does not offer the option or the functionality to expand or compress. And so in this one, I just have 3 pairs of pants. The other 2 pieces that come in this set are a shoe bag and a roll top laundry bag. Let's see, the shoe bag is, they're both made of like the same materials as well. And the shoe bag has a little loop so that you can store, like hang it up really nicely. The inside I have a pair of running shoes, and so I wear a size 12 and they fit okay. They do require like a little bit of finagling just to kind of like get inside and then close. I also had to kind of Tetris them inside, but with smaller or thinner shoes like sandals or flip-flops, that should be a little bit easier and smoother to get in, and especially with something as, depending on what size and how big they are, you should be able to even get maybe 2 pairs of flip-flops or sandals in here as well. And so when empty, it basically just compresses down and becomes super flat, which is also pretty nice. I will say larger shoes like boots or heels probably will not fit in this shoe bag, so just something to keep in mind. And then the roll top bag is pretty large, as you can see. It is really nice for storing dirty clothes like laundry, and so it has 2 pieces of plastic here at the top, as you can see with that black line, and this allows you to really secure it closed and then roll it down to ensure like a nice secure seal. And then it has this plastic buckle which allows you to secure it and keep everything in place. I've not had any issues with it coming undone. It also has like a little loop so you can hang this up as well. And so we'll say just, it's important, especially if you store like a lot of clothes in here, to make sure you get all of the air out, just because once you seal it closed, it is a pretty tight seal, and so it keeps that air trapped in. So I found like I have to constantly like flatten it out and try and get all of the unnecessary air out before actually like securing it closed. And also have used this as a pseudo laundry bag. I wouldn't use it as like a traditional dry bag in terms of like filling it up with water and then adding soap and like shaking it, but it does work like a decent with like a little bit of water and soap, and then just kind of like agitate it a little bit. But I would still recommend a little bit more I would advise caution just because the material is very thin and very lightweight, and so the last thing you want to do is like poke a hole in it or rip one of the seams or something like that. So there you have it, the Westernized Voyager packing cube set. Thanks for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel. We'll see you in the next video.